How to view seed phrase in SafePal. Are you guys facing issues to view seed phrase in SafePal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your seed phrase in SafePal, open the SafePal application and go to Wallet Management section. Tap on the wallet name you want to backup. Then select Backup Wallet or View Recovery Phrase. You'll be asked to enter a security password. Once entered, SafePal will reveal your dual or 24-bit phrase. Make sure you write it down in the exact order on paper and store it somewhere offline. Never take a screenshot or save it on your phone. This phrase is your only way to recover your wallet if a device is lost or reset. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna view seed phrase in SafePal Wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.